May I request everyone to stand up? And may I request Mr. Quiet to lead the prayer this morning? Everyone stand up. Okay, let's bow our head and let's our prayer. Okay, before you sit, everyone, can you please get the some pieces of the papers? And can you please align your chairs? Okay. So for now, I will remind you the rules before I start to discuss. So the first rules is, if I discuss at the front of you, so please be quiet, class, okay? The second rules is, if you have the questions, so don't be shy to raise your hands, okay? That is understood, class. Okay. The third rules is, listen carefully, okay? Because after I discuss the topic for this morning, I will have the questions, okay? So let's the attendance first before the everything. So if I call your name, say mabuhay, okay? Let's have the attendance now. Okay? So let's review or recap about the topic yesterday. Who can give some idea about the topic yesterday? Yes, Mr. Kwayang. Very good, Mr. Kwayang. So our topic yesterday is all about the whole numbers. Who can give or idea about the whole numbers? Yes, Miss Rinalyn. Okay, very good, Miss Rinalyn. So, when we say the whole numbers, it is the integer that defined as a number. The whole numbers, it can be written to the fractional components. And students, can you give some example about the whole numbers? It is the 21, 4, and 0. So for now, before I start the topic for this morning, so I have a short activity, students. Did you understand? Okay. So for this morning, I have the flashcards here. So you're going to do, class, is if I show one flashcards, so you're going to do is to guess the flashcards. It is the subtraction or addition. Did you understand, class? Okay, that is very good because you understand the instructions. So let's start the short activity. So the first flashcards is 291 plus 12 plus 125 equals to 428. Okay, thank you, students, because your answer is correct because the answer is addition because of the sign of plus. The sign of addition is plus. Did you understand, class? Okay, thank you. The second flashcard is 153 plus 148 equals to 301. Okay, what is your answer, class? Okay, thank you, class. So, it's still or same addition because of the sign of plus. Okay, because the 153 numbers and 148 is going to add, and the equals is rather 301. Did you understand, class? Okay, thank you. The third flashcards is 38 plus 157 rather equals to 195. So, class, what is the answer? Yes, that is correct, class. The answer is the addition because of the sign of yes, the sign of plus of addition. Okay, thank you. The last flashcard, class, is 145 minus 62 equals to 83. What is the answer, class? Okay, thank you. That is correct, class. So, because the sign of minus. So minus means subtractions because of the numbers of 145 minus 62 equals to 83. Did you understand, class? Okay, thank you. So, did you enjoy your short activity class? Oh, that is very good, class. So for now, let's start to our discussions. But before that, we have the 3 objectives here. So the first objective is this is the first objectives for today. So the first objective is, can you read Mr. Kwayang? Okay, thank you, Mr. Kwayang. So the first objective is all about the distinguish the meaning of addition and subtractions. So let's proceed to the second objectives. So the second objectives, can you read, Miss Rinalyn? Okay, thank you, Miss Rinalyn. So the second objectives is all about the knowing how to add and subtract the numbers. Okay, let's proceed to the third objectives. Napilit na. So let's have the third objectives. So the third objectives, can you read, Mr. Reamer? Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Reamer. So the third objectives is all about the participate actively, lesson, discussion, and group activity. Okay, did you understand the objective for this morning class? Okay, thank you. That is very good. Okay, so let's have the activity again. Okay, so I have the activity for you, class. So you're going to do is your answer is right. I write your answer into the 1/2 of crosswise. Okay, did you understand, class? Okay, wait for the instruction, class. Okay, so for this activity, the instructions is, in this activity, find the correct answer of column A and to column B. The pupils must use a connect the bullets into lines. You're going to do, class, is the column A. Example is number 1 to connect into the column B to number 1. Did you understand, class? Okay. Write your answer into the 1/2 crosswise. Can you start now? Okay, class? Okay, are you done to your activity, class? Okay, I will count to 5. You're going to do your paper to pass at the front, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, please pass your papers now. Okay. So, for now, are you enjoy your activity, class? That is very good. I think you have some idea or knowledge about the topic for this morning. Okay, that is very good to hear that, class. Okay, let's start to our topic for this morning class. Okay, class. Can you see this? Okay. So, for this morning, our topic is all about the, can you read, Mr. Kwayang? Okay, thank you, Mr. Kwayang. Our topic for this morning is all about the adding and subtracting whole numbers. Okay. So for now, let's start the word adding or addition. When it comes to your mind, class, can you give some idea or the knowledge about the word addition or adding? Yes, Miss Rinalyn. Okay, thank you, Miss Rinalyn, rather. So when we say adding, okay, Mr. Benito, can you please read the addition meaning? Okay, thank you, Mr. Benito. So when we say addition, class, it is the means putting numbers together to a total. The total is called the sum. Did you understand, class? Okay. Listen carefully, class. Okay. The total is called the sum. Again, you write in an addition problem with a plus sign. Did you remember what is the sign of addition, class? Okay, that is very good, Miss Rinalyn. So the sign of addition is plus sign or the cross sign. Did you understand? Okay, thank you. So addition, it is the problems can be written into rows or in columns. Okay. So when we say the addition class has the process or how to add the numbers. So the process or the step, we have the 3-step how to add the numbers of addition class. So we start the step 1. When we say the step 1 of the process of the addition on how to add the numbers, it is the line up the numbers so that the digits in each column have the same place value. So this is the step 1 how to add the numbers class. 291 plus 12 plus 105. So the step 1 is you should do columns first. Okay. Did you understand, class? Okay, thank you. So let's proceed to the step 2. So the step 2, start with the ones column, add to more than 10, regroup the number of working from right to the left rather, and the numbers in each column. So class, this is the process of step 2 on how you to add the numbers. Okay, 291 plus 12 plus 125. So you're going to do, class, into the step 2 is the first column is you're going to add. Okay, did you understand, class? Okay, that is very good, class. So let's proceed to the step 3. So step 3, if the numbers in a column add up to more than 10, regroup the number of tens to tens column. Do that with hundreds and so on. So this is the process of step 3 on how you to add the numbers, class. Okay, 291 plus 12 plus 125. So earlier we discussed about the step 2. So in the step 2, that is to add the first column. So the step 3, you're going to do is to add the second column if you can add the numbers into the third column. Did you understand, class? Okay, that is very good, class. So class, we are now done the addition. Did you understand about the addition, class? Did you have some knowledge or did you understand how to add the numbers of addition? Okay. So let's proceed into the subtracting or subtraction. Okay, class, when it comes to your mind, the word subtraction rather, who can give some idea? Yes, Mr. Benito. Okay, thank you, Mr. Benito. So for now, let's discuss about the subtraction. Okay. So when we say subtraction or subtracting, it is taking an amount away from another amount. When we say subtract, when you need to find the difference or to make a comparison, the minus sign. When you say the subtraction, have the sign of minus, okay, or dash, okay. Tells you to subtract like addition problems. Subtraction problems can be written into rows or in columns. Okay. We have the process or the step on how to minus or subtract the numbers. So let's start this step 1. Line up the numbers. Make sure that the smaller number is on the bottom. Okay. When we subtract the numbers, let's first to put the greatest number before the the smallest number. Because the smallest number must to put into the bottom like this, the step 1. 145 is the greatest number, minus 62. The numbers of 62 is the smallest number. Okay, did you understand, class? Okay, that is very good. So let's proceed to the step 2. So start with the ones column and subtract, working to the left, subtract the numbers in each column. So this is the step 2 of subtractions. 145 minus 62. The numbers of 5 and 2, let's first to subtract them. Okay, the number of 5 and 2, let's do subtract. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay. Did you understand, class, the step 2? Okay, that is very good. So let's proceed to the step 3. Regroup whenever the digit being subtracted is greater than the digit above it. So, this is the process of step 3 subtraction. 145 minus 62. Okay. We have to add 0 and 1 and 4. The above of the numbers of 145. Okay. If we add them, another numbers at the above of 145, we can get the correct answer, the 145 minus 62. Did you understand, guys? Did you get this? The process of subtraction? Okay, that is very good. So for now, let's have the activity again. Activity for this is here. So, we have the activity again, class. Yes, we have the activity again. Okay, wait for the instruction, class. So, for this activity, the instruction is encircle the letter of the correct answer for each numbers. Okay, did you understand the instruction, class? That is very good to hear that. Okay, write your answer into the activity notebook. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, you may now start, class. Are you done, class? Okay, at the count of 5, pass the papers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass the papers, class. Okay. So, you are now done the activity, class. But before you leave, before we end of this class, of this topic, I have the assignment for you. Okay. So, on your assignment, class, write your answer in your assignment notebook. Did you understand, class? Okay, that is very good because you always understand your teacher. Okay. This is your assignment, class. Okay. Again, write your answer on your assignment notebook. Okay. Your assignment, it will be passed on tomorrow during to our class time. Again, your assignment, class, pass it tomorrow during to our time, class. Did you understood, class? Okay. So, may I request to everyone to stand up and let's have our closing prayer. And may I request Mr. Benito to lead or to close the prayer for this morning. Okay, let's bow to our head. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, students. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your active for this class. So, goodbye everyone. So, let's see tomorrow again. I hope you have some learn for this topic or discussion for my class. Goodbye everyone. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.